Hello folks, Mark Kelson here today at Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon to present to you this 2018 pre-owned Ventana 4037. Let's go in and see what it has to offer. Stepping inside of this coach, you will see a beautiful contrast of colors. Very stylish seating with a love seat on one side and a full-fledged couch over on the other, directly facing the televator behind with the Blu-ray up here, the Bose sound bar, double accents here, the black stripe against the cream color, very beautiful. Notice the cabinetry, it's that light maple, nice woodwork in here, good accents. Coming back into the kitchen area, Corian countertop, you got the 3-burner stove right there, and of course with that you're going to get this microwave convection oven, which is very nice. Right here, Newmar quality, Newmar ingenuity, very nice. Dual sink, stainless steel, this beautiful faucet. You have the booth over here that does expand, but I'll tell you what, this Euro booth is so comfortable. You just kick back like that, put your arm up there, your foot up there, and it's just like a relaxing time for you. Coming back here, you got the refrigerator. It is going to be a Whirlpool refrigerator, and in the bottom you're going to have the freezer. Right over here, place to store all your goods. Very cool. All right, coming back here, you're going to have a bath and a half in this coach. So here's your half bath. You got the toilet in there, the commode, the sink. Nice for guests who are staying with you. Coming to the back, you have the bed that folds up right here. This is a king-size bed in this coach on the 4037. Very comfortable. Over on this side right here, dual wardrobes with 5 drawers underneath and a spot for all your electronics to run the TV. This coach is very nice in that it's got the accent lighting right here. And I don't know if you can see it back here. Well, you can't, but that's okay. This bed comes up, it is an air bed. So coming to the back is your second bathroom. This does have a washer dryer in this coach, stackable, which is very cool. Right there's the commode, and you do have the egress door behind it, so that door opens up in the event of an emergency. Ladder comes down, very cool. Over on this side, 2 matching chairs, there's a safe back there, full wardrobe, and right here we have the corner shower, a very large area, and a nice vanity with the mirrors right here. Let's go to the front, see what it has to offer up front. So you've got the porcelain tile here on the base. Very nice floor, very clean, easy to clean up, if you will. Here you're going to be on the Freightliner chassis. On this, you have the Allison transmission over here. On the side, you have the automatic levelers, the engine brake, all the dials right there where you can see them very easily when you're going down the road. CD player, you got the backup camera, the side cameras, a place to charge your phone, and you got the cruise control at the touch of a button right there. Up here you also have your inverter, the hydronic heating, your slide outs right there, and just everything you need. And right there's a tank reading monitor for you. But this coach is loaded. Beautiful color wood, a big TV right there also, MCD shades. Let's go outside and just look at a few of the features out there. So coming out here, you do have full body paint on this Ventana. It's a beautiful paint job, just absolutely stunning. Up above you have the awning that comes out and over everything, which is an automatic awning at the push of a button. Right here you also have the slide toppers that come out over the slide when it's extended. You have an outside TV, you have frameless windows, which is very stylish. You have side open baggage doors. So you've got your baggage area right there. You're gonna have another one right here, and this actually has the pull-through tray right here, and I think you're going to have another one right here. This does have the option for the hammock that comes out the side, which is very cool. You have a place to put tools in the event that you want to peg them in there and just have them at easy access. So coming into the back, there's the egress door that we saw when we were on the inside. You have your starter batteries right here. This is just a very nice luxury coach. Coming back here, you'll see you have your ladder accessing the top, your backup camera. You've got it all right there. This is a 400 Cummins in this unit, and you have the tow hitch receptacle down at the bottom there. Your side camera's right there so that you can see coming down the way if you're in the event that you're in traffic or something like that. Your generator is up here. I'll tell you what, to get a pre-owned in here like this is very rare. Please feel free to give me a call, Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching.